Hi, I'm Emily, and I recently renovated my kitchen with Metropolitan. I had been talking about doing my kitchen for 10 years, but just felt overwhelmed by the whole process and wasn't quite sure where to begin. I went into Metropolitan and I met with Evan, and immediately I felt better. I felt ready to tackle this project. Evan listened to me, heard what I needed in this kitchen, and was able to make a design that worked within our budget and worked for my family's needs.
Working with Metropolitan Showroom was unique and very easy. Emily wanted an open concept for her home. I knew exactly what we had to do.
With Emily's kitchen, she wanted something white, so we found the right white for her that's going to be nice and warm without being too warm.
It was so easy working with Evan. He knows the product inside and out. He literally knew exactly what to show us and how to make our vision really come to life.
So from there, we really looked at the space that I had and how to maximize storage.
What they're looking to achieve is functionality in the kitchen, storage solutions that help her cook with ease. We're going to put a spice pullout in one of the top drawers, and then underneath that we're going to store the tray dividers. And then on the other side, we have a pullout that is going to have some bins for utensils. So, in this small space, we're able to cram a lot in there.
Pull-out drawers under our induction cooktop was awesome, and it made accessing the pots and pans easy. He was able to put in a Lazy Susan in the corner to maximize that corner counter space.
In the wet bar area, we swapped out the upper cabinetry doors, put in like a really pretty brass mesh, just to give it a little pop.
When I walked in the house and saw the countertops installed, my jaw dropped. I couldn't believe this space was mine. At the end of the day, I'm left with my dream kitchen for my family and our home.